Good morning. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guides tip of the day, this first day of July, July 1st. It's a Friday. The domino theory. That's where our tip of the day comes from, by Edward Capozzi. Just because your client has not missed a day of work does not mean you cannot have a future lost earnings claim. Your client hasn't lost any work, but you could still have a future lost earnings claim. Not to mention a loss of earning capacity claim. You take away someone's skill, and that takes away their earning capacity. And that's interesting what Edward Capozzi is talking about, that if it's more likely than not that in the future an injury is going to keep your client from working, then they're entitled to the future lost earnings, not just loss of earning capacity. Although is a potential future lost earnings different than loss of earning capacity? I think so, and I certainly wouldn't spend a lot of time differentiating with the jury. No, but maybe if for some reason you want that economic calculation, it's certainly worth thinking about what abilities have been taken away, even if that doesn't affect directly the ability to make money. That's still an earning capacity loss. And then what about the likelihood of your client not being able to continue in the same job? And then that's an actual future lost earnings. All right, nice. So July, it's interesting to me. I like looking at the etymology of things, of words. That's what etymology is. And July, that's still kind of harkens back to the Roman Empire, and it's still with us. Right? Used to have 10 months, which makes sense in a decimal-based system. Then Julius Caesar added July, named after him. And of course, his relative, Augustus. That is relative, or they were just both Caesars, because that's a title. I don't know that. But yeah, so they just add July and August to the calendar. Otherwise, we'd have 10 months. Probably make more sense. Although, what about the clocks? How do we ever get 12 hours and a half a day? I don't know. Enough other things that are within our control that we can do with today than worry about July. But happy July, and happy Independence Day weekend. That's certainly, it's also worth contemplating independence. I guess that initially comes from our independence from Great Britain, of course. And then what does that mean for us today? What are we celebrating? How can we be patriots without being jingoists? How can we be Americans in the truest sense? What does that mean? Equality, liberty, fraternity. It's the gender neutral of that. Camaraderie. Anyhow, here we are, Friday. Let's take a moment to just be grateful to be alive today. Yeah, let us use our time, our efforts in a way that alleviates suffering, that accomplishes justice. May our efforts be joyful. We have joyful effort in what we do. And may we create connections based on love, not hate, in our personal lives and in our legal profession, in our legal professional relationships. All right, I'm going to ring a bell 3 times. This could take you into a meditation practice for the day, into a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Friday. Go do good things and have fun while you're doing it. Have a great extended weekend.